Okay guys, Cedro here with the Drone Cone. Brand new 200-gallon black edition. We're gonna do a little test. We're gonna see if this filter is faster, or if the Drone Cone pumps faster with the 30 mesh instead of the 50 mesh. That is a really wide open filter. We're gonna see if that pumps faster than the 50 mesh. So right now here in the filter on the Drone Cone, we've got the 50 mesh filter in. The 30 mesh is wide open as they make for this specific banjo filter right here. All right, so we've got the 50 mesh in the 200-gallon Drone Cone. We got a DJI T50 right here. We're gonna see how long it takes to fill it up to about the 38-liter mark with the 50 mesh. On your mark, get set, go. Timer's running. Zoom on in here and show how fast it's filling. And stay zoomed in right on that stopwatch right until we get up to right here. We're going to look for 38 liters on the side. That's about 10 gallons. Right about there. Okay, so that was about 29 seconds with the 50 mesh in the filter. Now we're going to run again with the 30 mesh. Okay, so I just unscrewed this. I've got the 50 mesh going out. I got the 30 mesh going in. Tighten that up. You guys can see how easy it is. Really easy to clean your filter, so I highly recommend it after every couple uses or day or whatever. Make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, now we got that 30 mesh in there. Let's run the same experiment again. We just replaced the 50 mesh with the 30 mesh in the Drone Cone. We're gonna rerun it and see how fast it fills. Are you ready? Set, go. We got the 1-inch banjo line right here with the 1-inch ball valve. All right, and ready, almost there. It's set, and stop. So yeah, 25 seconds about versus 29 seconds. In fact, we actually filled it fuller this time, more full. So does it matter? It looks like it's about 4 seconds faster to put the 30 mesh on instead of the 50 mesh. We might have to do a bigger drone. We might have to get a T100 out here and try that experiment with that drone. So stay tuned, but it looks like the 30 mesh is faster than the 50 mesh, so it might be a really quick way to upgrade. From now on, we're gonna ship all the Drone Cones with the 30 mesh and just speed you guys up, give you a little bit more time flying. You can get the brand new 200-gallon Black Edition Drone Cone with the freshwater tank and dedicated freshwater pump, and now with the 30 mesh filter to help you go a little bit faster at thedronecone.com or at your local dealer.